we didn't have enough time to film downstairs, but look at the fireworks! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da!
DJ, I'm not singing this song. Put on something else. What happened?
That is cool, right? Well, that's enough of fireworks for this year. I'm going back downstairs. 4 minutes later. Hey guys, we made it downstairs. And also, this is the end of this video. If you want to see more, like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. A few moments later. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And by the way, I am a YouTuber. If you search my name, friend Yoko Suka /NSY, I'm a YouTuber. I need more subscribers. Like this trailer, sir. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.